In 2024, backyard makeovers focus on blending style with functionality. Whether you're looking for a modern, sleek space or a cozy outdoor retreat, these trends will inspire your backyard transformation. Create an outdoor living room for entertaining and relaxation. Comfortable furniture, outdoor rugs, and weather-resistant cushions bring the comfort of indoors outside, making your backyard an extension of your home. Sustainability is key for 2024, with eco-friendly gardens becoming a popular choice. Drought-tolerant plants, native species, and rainwater harvesting systems make for a beautiful and sustainable backyard. Maximize space with vertical gardens, a great way to introduce greenery without taking up too much room. They're perfect for small yards and add a modern, eco-friendly vibe to your backyard. Fire pits are a must-have for outdoor gatherings in 2024. Modern designs with sleek materials like metal or concrete offer warmth and ambience, making your backyard perfect for year-round use. Multi-level patios add dimension and functionality to your backyard. Different zones for dining, lounging, and gardening make the space feel organized and multi-purpose. Outdoor kitchens are becoming a staple for backyard makeovers. Built-in grills, mini fridges, and ample counter space make it easy to cook and entertain outside, creating a true outdoor culinary experience. Minimalist landscaping is all about clean lines and simplicity. Think structured plants, geometric garden beds, and neutral colors, creating a sleek and modern look with minimal upkeep. Incorporating water features like small fountains or reflecting pools can create a serene, tranquil atmosphere in your backyard. They also add a luxurious feel to any outdoor space. Good lighting can transform your backyard at night. In 2024, the trend is recessed lighting, string lights, and spotlights to highlight plants, pathways, and seating areas, creating a cozy evening atmosphere. An outdoor bar is a fun and functional addition to any backyard. With built-in counters, bar stools, and shelves for beverages, it's the perfect spot for entertaining guests in style. Shade structures like pergolas are not only practical but stylish. They provide relief from the sun while adding architectural interest to your backyard, making it a perfect place to relax year-round. Adding outdoor art or sculptures can personalize your backyard and make it truly unique. From modern abstract pieces to traditional statues, these elements enhance the overall look of the space. In 2024, using sustainable, eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, and natural stone is a top trend. These materials not only look beautiful, but also reduce your environmental footprint. Create a dedicated entertainment zone with features like an outdoor movie screen, cozy seating, and even a small stage area. This trend turns your backyard into a hub for socializing and fun.